Back to the channel. Today we're working on installing this Starlink resident service. Okay, so we're out at the remote location. They don't have internet, so this is their best option. So we have the residential service here in the box. Looks like we have a nice, oh, look at the size of that receiver, and then all the pieces that go with it. So let's take it out and set it up piece by piece and see if it works. Okay, main screen on the display, we have a power cable, we have the I believe this is the receiver and Wi-Fi for the internal, and of course the super long cord, and maybe this is it then. Okay, and the instructions, very simple on the back, but everything is included. You should not need a separate Wi-Fi or a router or anything like that. Okay, so let's go and see what happens. Hey, super easy instructions. How simple can that be? So that's the power block, and then that's all of your things. Okay, cool. All right, guys, I plugged in the power and the network, which is just and they all have that weather seal, so as long as you use their stuff. And then we use that incredibly long track, and we plugged it into the back right up in here, and that's all weather sealed. And now, since it's powered on, we're going to move it into the sun, and then we're going to see if we can pick up that north facing and see if we can make a connection using the Wi-Fi. All right, let's go. Confirmation configuration now. So we're doing the standard. All right, check for obstructions. I think we did point that to the north. Okay, I have a clear view, and we're just gonna do right here pivot mount for right now. We're just setting it up on the ground, and then we should be okay. Mount is installed. All right, Starlink is plugged in. All right, let's go. Open settings, and we're going to connect to the Starlink, and let's see if the Starlink can pick up something. There we go. Now we're connected. All right, so now we're going to go back and we've got to give it a password and set it up. Now it says the Starlink is paired. We're going to continue. It's going to search for a satellite, and then we should be able to set up a password for your internet, and your internet should work, and we'll then test the service strength. All right. Okay, guys, it keeps bouncing from offline to online, but everything is connected. That is location for north. It's clear view. We're going to have to mount it in the future, but now we're going to just verify how fast this thing works. Okay. All right, it's also doing a software update, so we're going to wait for that to finish, and then we'll go from there. Okay, because we're back online, and we'll see how fast that goes. Guys, we finally downloaded the software, and now we're doing the final rebooting of the device outside. We've got the devices inside here hooked up to the Wi-Fi. It is working good. We are going to do a speed test in a little bit, and after this update, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're going to try the speed test. Okay, we got the speed test on that, and let's see what the satellites are doing. Okay, don't allow. We're just going to test. So let's see how good this satellite is. Oh yeah, not as fast as we think it is. Hopefully it'll be better later. Okay. So we're looking at, all right, well that wasn't good. Let's try again. Yeah, 12 megs would not be considered good. Let's try again. All right, we're gonna try their speed test. Okay, we got about 68 down right now, which is okay. And for this location, cellular networks did not work indoors, so I guess this is okay. And up is pretty good at 2021. So hopefully, depending on the usage, those numbers will go up. Because right now we just have it sitting on the ground to test. Okay, so thank you again, guys, for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day, guys. Bye.